Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Friday, the 27th of February. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. Nice day yesterday, huh? A little bit of melting, more melting going on for today. Temperatures in the 40s. We're starting cold. Remember, when we melt like this, the sides of the roads and your walkway with all the snow get water and it refreezes. So just watch. It's not a widespread thing, but just watch for any icy spots that may be around. Now, tonight we're back down into the teens and 20s. Tomorrow, we're in the mid to upper 40s, maybe nudging 50 in a few spots. Arctic front comes through here, however, on Sunday. I think there's going to be some snow showers, maybe even some squalls. So we'll have to see whether or not that. It's not going to amount to anything, but it could. I've seen these things cause problems on the roads. So just be careful if you're out and you see that occurring. Then as we head for Monday, we're only in the 20s, below freezing day. Could be the last below freezing day we see this winter. Could be. We've had them in April, so, who am I to say for the next 6 weeks we're not going to see anything? But it's likely there's not many more, if there is any more after Monday. And then we'll start to warm up, and some of the models are getting us into the 60s here in about a week. So we're going to lose the snow cover. I looked, most of the models erase all the snow cover by mid-month. So not long, it'll be gone. Crocuses will be out. People will be running. All of that. It's coming pretty quickly. Have a great weekend and a great morning.